Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Harbor Freight Hercules 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. So I have it installed on the Hercules 550-pound universal aluminum mobile folding stand. Okay, so when it's all folded up, you can wheel it around on these wheels, and there's a handle right here. Now it is a little heavy, but it does roll around really nice. Okay, so you're simply going to lift it all the way up. It's going to stand on its side there. Then you're going to extend all four legs. They're very easy. They got these little quick disconnects right here that you use to extend them. Okay, so the miter saw retails for $400 and the stand for $200. Now, I like that the miter saw comes with a 12-inch blade, so you don't have to buy a blade. Now, one of the legs on the miter saw stand you can use to level it. That will screw in and out. Now when I want to extend this, I just lift that up. I can extend this out and then lock it down. Super easy. Same with over here. I can extend this out and then lock it down. Then I can also loosen this up and I can raise this up and down. Both sides. And if I want the wood just to roll across it, I just put this, but you can use it as a backstop. You can roll the wood up to it and stop. Now there is a little bit of assembly. You'd have to put these feet on with these big screws here. So I've been using this saw for a while, and I absolutely love this saw. It works really nice. It's very smooth. It's very solid. Very well constructed. Okay, so it's got an LED light that shines down. The way you turn that LED light on is that switch right there. Turns it on and off. Now here there is a little safety right here, so push that over. Now you can start the saw. So it's very easy to adjust. You just lift up this angle right here and you can move it. Right there shows you what angle it's going to be at, and it locks into place. So it does have detents at 15. Looks like 22.5. Now if you want to lock it somewhere other than the detent, you're going to turn this knob and that tightens it down. Undo that and you can go to the detent. Again, this is just a really nice miter saw. I'm very happy that I purchased it. Thanks everybody for watching.